Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want your MacBook Air M2 to last hours longer on a single charge? Today I'll show you one simple setting that makes a huge difference. So for that, you need to watch the video to the end to know exactly how to do it, and I'll guide you step by step. So first, open your system settings and go to the battery option over here. Now you'll find optimize battery charging over here. Simply turn it on. As you can see here, optimize battery charging. You can simply turn it on, and this feature launches your daily usage pattern and slows the charge when your Mac doesn't need full power immediately, which prolongs battery health over time. Also enable low power mode in the same menu. This reduces energy usage by dimming the display slightly, lowering the performance just enough to save power without affecting smooth start, and dim your screen manually or turn off Bluetooth when not in use. Combined with these settings, you can significantly extend your MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook battery life during long work days or travel. And that's it guys, just one key settings plus a few tips and your MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook that you own will last way longer on a single charge. Try it out and comment if this video helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.